idea held by generations of citizens.
Victory, hope.
And individually, collectively, do the best we can.
This is your victory.
Please welcome the winner of the 2014 Nobel Peace Prize, Kailash Satyarthi.
I am so humbled this evening. Thank you. Thank you, Oslo. Thank you, Norway. The way you are behaving me, I could say that I have come here to take the Peace Prize, which I have received yesterday. But your love, your honor, your respect for me proves and make me to think that I am leaving a piece of my heart in this country. Let me ask one thing. For me, I was born as a child. What about you? Were you born as a child? Everyone is born as child. And I was born free. What about you? Childhood is the best gift of God. It's divine. Freedom is the best gift of God. It is divine. But if the childhood is stolen, if the freedom is stolen and robbed off, it is the sin. It is the sin against divinity, is the sin against God. My whole life has just one single aim, that is to restore childhood, that is to restore freedom. Childhood is non-negotiable, no compromise. Freedom is non-negotiable, no compromise. And I also believe that if childhood is lost in one part of the world, the childhood of the entire humanity is lost. If freedom is robbed off in one part of the world, then we cannot say that the world is free. No problem in the world can be seen and can be solved in isolation. We are so interconnected. My humble appeal to you that let us connect the world, let us unite the world, let us beginning unite the world in a different way. And that different way is to begin through the compassion for our children. As I said, every child is born as a free child. And when we try to begin the compassion and globalize compassion, make a movement for compassion, a transformative compassion, which can bring peace and justice and freedom to the entire humanity. That we can do. If we are able to feel a child inside us, that I said yesterday also. If we started feeling that my child inside me is not died, that child is still alive, then the world is different. I'm not talking of restoring childhood of those children who are sold and bought like animals. The children who are compelled to work in mines and quarries and brick kilns and workshops and homes and brothels. I'm also here to talk about the restoration of childhood of every single person who is living on the earth. You and you and you. And when you start thinking and feeling that a child is still inside you, then the world is very beautiful. World is very beautiful. World is very simple. World is very honest. World is very truthful. World is like a child. And when we become adults, we keep on ruining our own childhood and the childhood surrounding us. We have to learn simplicity from our children. We have to learn unity, forgiveness, beauty from our children. Let us begin learning from our children. And that is possible. So let us make a world better. If we think that we are not making the world worst, we are not doing something wrong, that is a kind of pessimism. That is a kind of neutrality. If you are not making this world better, then you automatically become the party to make this world worst for our children. And when we are born, the world is much beautiful. We have to make it more beautiful. We have to make it more better. So when we leave this earth, we leave this life, we can say with pride that we had made more safer, more free, more educated, more prosperous, a better world for our children. Are you willing to do so? Can you raise your hand that you are going to make this world better? Are you going to make this world better? Are you going to make this world free for children? Feel a child inside you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.